Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Install Lightme and allow camera and microphone access so the app can capture scenes. Next, sign in with your email and complete verification. This links your projects to the cloud. Once done, enable location. Lightme uses it to suggest lighting presets and connect to Wi-Fi to speed asset downloads. Now open a new project and choose a template or blank scene. This first step puts you directly into editing without needless delay. You'll now refine the scene using layers and timelines. Add your subject, then place effects above it. Drag layers to reorder and lock any that shouldn't move. Next, switch to the keyframe timeline to animate light intensity and position. Set easing to make motion feel natural and pick precise durations in milliseconds for sync. For polish, apply a global color grade, choose a LUT, then tweak exposure, contrast, and saturation. Doing this guarantees consistent visuals and smooth, and you finish by exporting and sharing. Pick a preset like 1080p at 30 fps or 4K at 60 fps, or set a custom bitrate for smaller files. Make sure audio mixdown is on if you used multiple tracks, then choose share or save to device and add captions or a cover image for platforms. If something goes wrong, export stalls or crashes, free up at least 500 megabytes, close background apps, restart Lightme, and try again. That resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.